In this video, I'm going to share 5 things that can help you get that family member who refuses to treat their hearing loss to actually consider treatment. Coming up. Hi guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Anthem, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing-related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification every time I release a new video. Everyone knows that family member who obviously needs some kind of hearing treatment but absolutely refuses to go in and get their hearing checked. And this can cause a lot of issues inside of the family with communication, and it can even cause resentment. Yet, no matter what you do, you're not able to convince this individual to actually go and get their hearing evaluated and to actually get treatment. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 different things that you may be able to use to help convince that individual to at least seek some help. Number 1 is simply ask them to get a hearing evaluation. Most people make the mistake of saying you need to go get some hearing aids or you need to go talk to someone about hearing aids. They may not actually need hearing aids. Hearing aids might be the wrong treatment option for them. And they may have some kind of negative stigma associated with those hearing aids depending on what generation they're from. If they do agree to get their hearing evaluated, then it is up to the hearing care professional to help them understand what the benefits are of hearing treatment and to clear up any kind of misconception that they may have about hearing treatment. As long as that hearing care professional is really good at what they do, they should be able to help educate and inform that individual to the point where they may at least consider doing something about their hearing loss. The second thing is, if they refuse to actually go get their hearing evaluated, then you may be able to buy them some kind of a consumer electronic that can help them with their hearing. There are products out there like the Bose earphones, like IQ Buds Boost, like a Pocket Talker, which I'll have linked in the description below, that can help them understand speech a little bit better just by giving them a little bit of an amplification boost. And if stigma is one of the reasons why they're avoiding hearing aids specifically, these certain products can actually give them a boost in their hearing without them having that negative association tied to them, because all they are is consumer electronics. If they do end up seeing some benefit with these particular types of devices, they may see the value in actually going in and getting their hearing evaluated for real and getting their hearing treated properly. Number 3 is show them how small hearing aids can actually be. There are a number of people out there, like I mentioned before, that still have an associated stigma with hearing aids because they think they're these big, ugly devices that hang off the back of your ear and that will make other people look at them differently. The fact of the matter is that hearing aids are getting so small that you can actually fit them inside of your ear canal and they will be completely invisible. Take the company Eargo, for example. They will actually mail you a dummy set of these devices to see if that person would actually be willing to wear them. If they'd be able to wear this inside of their ear canal, then they may be willing to actually get a real hearing aid. That way you can go into a hearing care provider, get an invisible in the canal device, and get it programmed for their hearing loss prescription. Number 4 is offer to pay for their hearing treatment. There are people out there who just do not want to get hearing aids because they think that they are too expensive and they are not worth that cost. But there are hearing aid options out there that are extremely economically priced and that can still provide substantial benefit to individuals with hearing loss. So if you want them to be able to hear, you might actually have to bite the bullet and buy the hearing aids for them. Number 5 is don't make it seem like it's only their problem. If every word out of your mouth is about how they have a problem and about how they can't communicate with other people, they're just going to resist you more. That is how families work. Instead, make it about you. Make it about your other family members and about how they're having difficulty or you're having difficulty communicating with them. If they see how their hearing loss is impacting everyone else's ability to communicate, it might actually convince them to seek out treatment. I really wish there was some simple way to help encourage your family member to seek out hearing treatment, but no silver bullet exists. Ultimately, you have to rely on your knowledge of that family member and what motivates them, and take these tips that I've given you and see if you can help encourage that individual to seek out treatment. Sometimes no matter what you do, you are not going to convince your loved one to seek out treatment for their hearing loss. At the end of the day, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. In this situation, you can either let it continue to affect your relationship or you can make peace with it. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it. And if you want to see other videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.